Okie dokie, so this is my work from when I was a kid. And I just thought that I'd show you this. This is my work from when I was in college. Screen tests, all that kind of stuff, and we're going to rate this. So, I had this kind of obsession with slow shutter speeds and kind of like these doppelgangers and stuff like that, which was really cool. These are all photographs that I've taken. Um, could I rate this? I don't know. I think, yeah, this is the part where it gets into film as well. Very interesting kind of pieces. I had scripts at this point as well to react in certain ways. And then we had this as well. I don't know if I could actually show this because it's technically inside my college, but then there's no names, so... I mean, there's no other students on here, so it should be fine. Yeah, we had these little alleyways as well. I don't think this exists anymore. It was kind of abandoned when I was there. And then, of course, animation and stuff like that. How would I rate this? Typically, probably about a 3 out of 5 for the photography. I mean, this was good, like kind of playing chess against myself. That was kind of cool. That was my old bedroom. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.